guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you my May favorite, and at the same time, at the end of the video, I'll show you what I bought at Sephora last month. Yes, masa naman ako. Ay, wala nang pera, nagkasas pa. Anyway, if you wanna see what's in my May favorite, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we'll go by order. Basically, ang papakita ko lang sa inyo yung favorite ko ngayon is all my makeup, yung mga foundation, mga makeup lang, no skincare routine, because I'm planning to do a separate video on how to do my skincare. So for my ano tawag dito? Setting spray. My favorite setting spray at the moment is this All Nighter by Urban Decay. Usually this is my holy grail. Any kind of foundation, concealer, anything that will cake up your face, just use this to spray in the morning, and you don't have to retouch throughout the day. Kasi this is like, ewan ko basta try nyo to. Try nyo to. Actually, I've used a lot of setting spray before. I used the Max Fix Plus yung sa Too Faced, yung peach, and then basta yun. And then I tried this. This is a bit costly, but it's worth the money, and I actually used this for a year. And this is the kind of product that I will repurchase. Okay. And then for my foundation muna. Okay, concealer that I'm loving this month is etong Age Rewind by Maybelline. This is how it look like. Ano ba to? Sorry. Okay, yan siya. Eto. Okay, please focus. Yes, good. Age Rewind. Ang shades ko, okay. Anong shades ba? Saan makikita shades nito? 120 light. In ba yun? Yeah. This is a really good concealer. I don't really crease up much. Actually, I use this today. It's a light to medium coverage, so if you need to hide something, actually I have one dark spot right on my face. I use this twice, two coating, if you know, two coating siya, and yeah, it really does cover up, really does its job. So I will highly recommend this you people to try this. Okay, and then next, for ano ba yung buhok na yan? And for my foundation, I'm really loving the Makeup Forever. Ito siya, this is how it look like. Sorry guys, I don't know my shades kasi wala siyang details. Ganyan, yan. Ayan, sorry. Ganyan siya. I hit pen already. Ewan ko yung shades ko kasi tinapon ko na yung box but yeah, this is for me, this is a light to medium coverage. I don't know, but maybe if you really a very clear skin, then you can use this ones. But I use exfoliating wipes na lang. ito I'm currently loving this exfoliating wipes by Sephora. What I like about this is yung front layer niya, parang smooth siya. Parang, ano tawag dun? Ewan ko, exfoliant. Yun ba yun? Basta yun na yun. And then at the other back of the wipes, meron siyang parang beads that, you know, to remove the dead skins on your face. That's why I like about this, and I love the smell. It smells like basta rose. Ewan ko, hindi siya kamahalan eh. Siguro magkano ba? $10? Ayan, $10 siya. And you have a 25 wipes. Hindi na siya ginagamit araw-araw eh. I use it maybe twice a week. Yun siya. And yeah, twice a week na ang recommended use dito. And maybe it can last you for 2 weeks. I really recommend this because I have a lot of like, what do you call it, whiteheads sa nose ko, and at the side of my nose right here also I have a little, ano ba yun, yung parang magaspang siya. So after I wash my face, I will use this to just like wipe all over my face, and after that it's really make my my face really smooth, and at the same time I remove those dead skins all around this face. And for the next product naman, I'll be showing you my favorite mascara. Okay, this is currently my mascara that I'm loving. This is Total Temptation by Maybelline. This is one of my holy grail as well. If I need something easy to work with, actually this is very good. I'll show you guys. You see, look at my lashes. Focus. Okay, there. You see? Yeah, I just use one and I'm good to go. This is also a waterproof, so you don't have to worry about smudging your mascara, because I have the tendency to scratch my eyes when it's itchy, and I don't even remember kung naka-mascara ba ako nun. So it's really good because it won't smudge and it won't like darken your eyes like a panda. So I really recommend this for you guys, people who need who have a oily face and yeah. My favorite eyebrow at the moment, actually no, since last year I've been using Goo Proof by Maybelline, Benefit. This is how it look like. Yeah, and I'm not so sure how many times I bought this already, but this is what I'm loving. I'm number 3. Yes, and this is how it look like. Ayan siya. Angle dapat siya eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. And then at the end, this. Okay, let me swatch it for you. Very easy siya. Very easy to glide. If you see, look. Ah! Never mind. Sorry guys. Namatayan na naman tayo ng camera as usual. Lagi na lang ako namamatayan. Ewan ko ba? Nag-charge naman ako. Anyway, let's back to the topic. My favorite lipstick at the moment is ang Burberry. Candy pink siya. Yan siya. Para siyang bubble pink. Yan. Let me just swatch it for you. Ito ang kulay niya. There you go. Yan, parang siyang Barbie pink. Yan, I'm really loving it, and I'm planning to do maybe a Barbie pink makeup look to those people who likes pink look. Pink. Basta yun na yun. And then for my blusher, my favorite blusher at the moment is this cookie blusher. Ang cute niya, diba? This is from... Ay, ba't ganon? Ba't pink to? Nako. Ang dungis ko talaga. Yan, tingnan mo. Yan siya ginagamit. Ayan. Yan. Peachy color siya. This one is featured in my ano ba tawag doon? My peachy look video. Yan siya. It's my favorite now. Very easy to blend. Yan siya. Come, let's go try it out. Peachy. Yan siya. Hindi siya kita eh. Pero pag nasa sa cheek mo, just need to apply once. You get the result that you want. And for favorite highlighter this month, I'm still loving my Champagne Pop, but I'm also loving etong Dandelion Twinkle by Benefit. Yan. Yan siya. Tingnan natin shades. Let's try it on my hand. Ayan siya. Ooh, you see? It's so shiny. Maybe I should put it on my nose. And actually, I'm using this highlighter today, if I'm not wrong. Or maybe I'm using Champagne Pop. Nakalimutan ko na eh. Anyway, I think that's it for my current May favorite. Napakita ko na ba lahat? Basta, yun na yun. Wala na eh. I think that's it. That's my current May favorite for the month. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's all for my current May favorite. Whatever I have lay on my table, siguro naman, kasi I don't go by order eh. Whatever I reach out, yun ang pinapakita ko sa inyo. So, kailangan ko sigurong i-edit to, and then I'll know which one I have not featured. For the next one, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili ko na naman sa Sephora last month. Gumastos naman ako kasi I'm trying my best to reach the gold member, pero ang hirap talaga eh, kasi give you 1 year to spend 1,500. That's equivalent to magkano na sa Pilipinas yun. Tignan natin. Yan. I have to spend 55,000 pesos in Sephora to become a gold member. Anyway, this is my mini haul sa Sephora which I got last month. Whatever na lang na mabunot ko, then I'll show you. Okay, so ito yung I got this Urban Decay all-nighter. I already told you I will repurchase yung setting spray nila, and here you go. Magkano to? Around, magkano ba to? $42? Maybe 2,000? I'm not sure. Mga ganon, 2,000 pesos. I'm not really sure. And then I have etong Makeup Forever. Actually, I just make a wild guess on the shades because I really don't know yung shades ko talaga. But okay, pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung parehas ba siya. Okay. Ayan siya. This is the new one that I bought. Okay, yan eh. Parehas naman, diba? Konti lang naman ang difference. But yeah, as I've said, whether it's lighter or not, you can always use a bronzer. Ayan siya. Next one, meron ako dito, oh yeah, this is $72 if I'm not wrong, maybe 2.5 peso. And then I bought ano ba? NARS na naman. NARS Orgasm. Also, this one is my favorite blusher all year. Yan siya. I'll have to show you. This is the Orgasm pala, yung shades niya. And then I have Anastasia Beverly Hills. People are raving about the yung pomade, but I'm not really into gel brow. I'm more of a powder, so I decided to try out this one. Yan siya. The brush is separate. Mahal ang brush nito, so I think I will just use my brush from Zoeva to apply. Next one I have is Hula Benefit, cause this is the small one actually. Yan siya. The mini one. I regret, sana ang kinuha ko pala yung malaki na. Anyway, the price difference is not much. Because, as you can see, I hit pan on this. Almost done. Mga ilang, maybe a month or two. And and then I can use this one. And then next, I have the Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Contour. And also, ang daming taong nagre-rave about this concealer. They say this is really good. So, I decided to give it a go. I-stop ko muna to for the time being. I'll just try to use this Tarte and let you know, guys, kung maganda ba siya. This one is about maybe $40, 1,000 plus, I don't know, peso. Mali, hindi ko alam ang conversion ngayon eh. So, sorry. From the Fenty one, this one is like a gift. Hindi, I used the points that Sephora gave me to redeem this one. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. I think I will repurchase or I will buy the bigger one kasi travel size lang to eh. And I'll just show you how it look like. Eto siya. Ayan siya. Focus. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, dito na lang. dito. I'll just show you how it look like. Ayan siya. You see? It's like a tinted brown. Reddish brown siya. It's my style. Parang kakulay ng lipstick ko ngayon. Diba? And I think that's it. Ubos. Wala na rin akong pera. And anyway, money can be earned. I shall end my video here. If you guys liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I shall see you in my next one. See ya!